So the edge conversation into 2019 is really exploding because the kinds of insights that are needed are very important, and the number of sheer devices is just growing. As we go into 2020, we're looking at 20 billion devices worldwide. That's like 1 in 4 devices for every person. And cloud computing is very mature, but we're now seeing edge AI, edge vision computing, and edge analytics growing as well. So 2019 seems a right time to place some of these bets. So the race to the edge will affect both cloud providers and IoT providers. So looking from the outside in, buyers of these services and these products will look for edge providers that have a good cloud backend so that they can invest and integrate. Providers of the cloud will also start to produce edge-based solutions so they can be all-in-one for their customers and help prevent them looking elsewhere. We may see that the edge providers and the IoT providers are able to generate more revenue streams and more profitability, kind of like the Netflix and the telco model, but that remains to be seen. So why will the edge grow faster than the cloud? Well, firstly, we're seeing a lot of IoT vendors investing in this space and building products that extend the edge. Secondly, system integrators are spending a lot of time and getting a lot of work helping companies get faster and using those insights to generate better business outcomes. So will one grow faster than the other? It's kind of symbiotic, but what we're going to see is the more visible part is those edge experiences that happen more at the haptic and consumer level. So a good message for IT strategists, look, if you're a provider, make sure you're able to extend your solution out to the edge, provide an all-in-one service, be able to capitalize upon intense compute at the edge, also with cloud services in the back end. If you're a buyer of services and you want to go fast, go with a full stack solution. If you want to go more complex, look for an SI that can help you. Then when you want to scale it, take it in-house and move it that way. I like the idea that Mindtree has done in India with its Gladius IoT platform. What they did is they had a whole bunch of IoT devices, including video, and they used that video to plan their rental prices on real estate. They also used it to calculate where the best places for promotions and activities were. And the key thing about that is, as they were capturing data locally, they had the context and they had the footfall. They used the metadata to send to the cloud for processing, so that solves your privacy and your bandwidth constraints. And it also means that the core and the edge can be tuned differently at different times, so you're not losing opportunities as the market evolves.